English shortened, words and phrases, dictation, selected from TNGT exam. Start. Appropriation, supplementary grants, would refer, concrete suggestions, disappointed, I would request honorable members to some extent, at any time, I am grateful, deputy leader of the opposition, constructive speech, eager, prosper, met, difference of opinion, cooperating, referred, anxious, in any part of the country, simple scheme, we will look into the matter, transport, conductors, I shall glad, passengers, I would know, walks of life, I agree that there are, I may tell thee, unpleasant, specific, we could have taken action, loudspeakers, one party, another party, installed, shouting, intention, permitting, permitting, inconvenience, it is only in the way, manner, to these things, restrictions, maintain, breach, from that point of view, as a whole, relaxation, I shall glad, propagation, cooperated, I think the honorable member, debate, in the fact that high level, changer, watched, proceeding, stores, food, biscuit, we are very sorry to inform you, found, in this connection, contents, consignment, as soon as it was, containing, presence, at that time, they were already, appearance, worried, grievances, out of our let has now, broken, community, substitute, we are not able to, propaganda, we shall be pleased, complaints, if they are, to some points, disappointed, thank you. Again, shuffle some difficult words. Again, we are very sorry to inform you, in this connection, as soon as they were already, grievances, worried, proceeding, stores, I think the honorable member, I shall gladly, propaganda, permitting, it is only, walks of life, I do not know, we could have take action, loudspeakers, installed, shouting, we will look into the matter, in any part of the country, cooperating, difference of opinion, appropriation, supplementary grants, concrete suggestions, I would request honorable member, deputy leader of the opposition. Stop.